Switching sports now, as Jamaica's Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Shericka Jackson will look to secure her second Diamond League 200-meter victory this season when she battles exciting American sprinter Sha'carri Richardson at the Brussels Diamond League in Belgium on Friday. Jackson is one of 6 Jamaicans who will be in action at the meet. Jermaine Brown looks ahead.
The last time Jamaicans saw Shericka Jackson over 200 meters, this was the outcome. With her Olympic debacle in mind, the 27-year-old Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist will be seeking redemption of sorts in the half-lap event when she competes at the Brussels Diamond League meet in Belgium on Friday at 2:04 p.m. Armed with a personal best at 21.82 seconds, Jackson will be hunting her second Diamond League victory in the event this season, having won in Stockholm, Sweden on July 4. But standing in her way in what promises to be one of the highlights of the meet will be the ebullient American Sha'carri Richardson. Richardson, who has a personal best of 22 seconds flat for the event, says she'll be aiming to dip below that mark. Jackson and Richardson will also have the Namibian pair of Olympic bronze medalist Christine Mboma and Beatrice Masilingi, as well as Britain's Dina Asher-Smith for company in the event.
You think you can break that 22 seconds per year?
Oh my gosh, I'm hoping to. I feel like a little baby with the 22 flat compared to the other, compared to the rest of the field. I felt like a little baby. But it's definitely, if anything, that's my biggest goal, to break 22.
Meanwhile, 5 other Jamaicans are down to compete, including Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper, lining up in the women's 100-meter hurdles at 1:56 p.m. alongside compatriot and 2015 world champion Danielle Williams. Tapper will be hoping to turn the tables on Williams, who beat her at the previous Diamond League meet in Paris. Olympic finalist Natoya Gould will line up in the women's 800 meters, slated for 2:51 p.m. Another Olympic finalist, Christopher Taylor, will compete in the men's 400 meters. That event is set for 1:03 p.m. And Olympic semi-finalist Jaheel Hyde will contest the men's 400-meter hurdles at 2:38 p.m. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.